Hi, my name is Fareeda. I'm in my fifth year of the Honors Commerce program at McMaster University, where I'm doing a specialization in HR and a minor in Justice, Law, and Order. So I completed a 13-month internship at an electronics manufacturing company called Celestica, where I worked as an HR associate. The key responsibilities in my role included participating in the full cycle recruitment process, which began from September and lasted until April. In this role, I also supported HR business partners with creating HR reports and projects such as succession planning, talent development, onboarding, employee engagement, and much more. So after completing my internship at Celestica, I'm hoping to further develop my technical skills in Excel and Power BI because these tools are really important to my success in my internship. As well, I'm hoping to develop my ability to become an inclusive leader and to cultivate cultural competence to create diverse workplaces. I'd also want to dive into other areas of HR such as learning and development, employee relations, and performance management. So my internship at Celestica really provided me with a stepping stone into the world of HR, where I was able to take what I was learning in the classroom at a theoretical level and apply it to the real life. I was able to apply my skills in communication, time management, organization, and interpersonal relations into my daily tasks. As well, I transformed my understanding of recruitment practices, and I was able to visualize how technical skills in Excel and Power BI could be applicable to the HR field. So my experience at Celestica provided me insight into emerging trends that are now shaping the future of HR. So first, with commitment to EDI. Employee resource groups are really prominent at Celestica, and these groups are essential for fostering a safe and inclusive environment in the workplace. As well, enhancing the employee experience with a focus on employee well-being, development, and engagement. And finally, streamlining manual processes was something that was really emphasized in my internship with regards to people analytics and HR reporting. So my first advice to you is to start utilizing all the resources at your disposal. So the first is LinkedIn Learning, to learn more about emerging HR topics such as EDI, employee retention and engagement, strategic HR planning, and much more. It's also important to start learning more about the other various areas of HR by taking all the HR courses that DeGroote offers, and to also network with your HR professors to learn more about their areas of expertise and identify which area in HR is the most appealing to you. I'd also say to start familiarizing yourself with the different HR technologies that companies are using, such as Oracle, SAP SuccessFactors, Workday, and even just looking into how tools such as Power BI and Excel are important for the HR field. And my final advice to you is to start networking early. You've probably heard this so many times from so many different people, but it's actually the truth. Networking was key to my success in securing this internship. And as the saying goes, your network is your net worth.